Yeah, now you're recording.
Are you sure?
Yeah. See?
Okay, that means I'm recording.
Oh, my first.
Whoa.
Alright, well I guess it's time for Claire's first birthday cake, so we'll sing her happy birthday and then she can dig in. But we do want to thank everyone who's here, and some have traveled from far away to get here just for this, and we really appreciate that. And we thank everybody for our friends and family that are here. So without further ado, let's sing happy birthday to Claire, then she can chow down.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Claire. Happy birthday to you.
There you go, Claire. You want to eat? That was so dainty. She grabbed one little star. She's eating
Whoa!
She's eating all the stars.
Where have you been all my life, sugar?
Hey, you want to dig in? Want to dig in?
Yeah, let's get the show on the road. One by one.
Oh, is that her first cake?
Yep.
Is it her first anything sweet besides blueberries?
Pretty much.
There you go, Claire. You're a smart girl. This is gonna
Claire, this is a little anticlimactic.
works for her.
Hey, Dad, why don't you help out here? no, let
Should we
her.
just smash it in the face?
Never had anything bigger than
She's doing just fine.
It's starting.
Goes for it.
You know, that's good, isn't it? Woohoo!
What Claire sees.